Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to integrate Shopify with Zapier to automate your e-commerce workflows. If you're looking to save time and streamline your online store operations, this guide will walk you through the essentials. Let's get started. Connect Shopify to Zapier. Start by logging into your Zapier account and selecting Create Zap. Search for Shopify as your trigger app and connect your Shopify account. You'll need to grant permissions to let Zapier access your store's data. Choose a trigger. Select a Shopify event to act as the trigger. For example, you could choose New Order to automate tasks every time a customer makes a purchase. Set up the action. Choose an action app, such as Google Sheets to log sales, or MailChimp to add new customers to your mailing list. Customize the action by mapping fields like customer name, email, and order details. Test and activate. Zapier lets you test the integration to ensure everything works smoothly. Once the test is successful, turn on the Zap and your automation will run seamlessly in the background. From automating order tracking to managing customer data, Shopify and Zapier make e-commerce management effortless. Have you tried automating your Shopify store with Zapier? Let us know your favorite workflows in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.